forces behave in harsh environments. As researchers continue to probe farther into space, the unpredictability of planetary interactions becomes increasingly evident. Understanding the complex gravitational connection between Pluto and Neptune provides important insights into the underlying principles of the universe. The gravitational dance between Pluto and Neptune demonstrates how even far-off planets can affect one another. Over extended periods, these celestial bodies exert gravitational forces that can shape their orbits in subtle but significant ways, leading to continued interest and observation from the astronomical community. Scientists believe that understanding these forces could one day allow them to predict and potentially mitigate the risks posed by such cosmic events. By monitoring and studying these phenomena, we get closer to understanding the vast and complex nature of the cosmos. The way that seemingly chaotic or random interactions can result in stable, predictable patterns is an interesting feature of planetary motion. This phenomenon is especially true for Pluto, whose orbit is controlled by exact gravitational forces despite appearing to be chaotic. These forces protect Pluto and Neptune from colliding even though their courses appear to overlap. The delicate balance between Pluto's orbit and the gravitational pull of other planets maintains the dwarf planet's convoluted but stable path. As researchers continue to examine the distinctive features of Pluto's orbit, they also turn their attention to other facets of space exploration. By examining systems like the TRAPPIST-1 system, which has several Earth-sized planets, astronomers can better understand how gravitational forces between planets can cause orbital resonances and, in certain situations, increase the likelihood that a planet's path will become unstable. Even though the TRAPPIST-1 system is not currently experiencing any collisions, Pluto's unique orbit continues to fascinate researchers, providing important insights into the complex dynamics that govern our solar system. One of the most fascinating aspects of Pluto's path is its interaction with the Kuiper belt. Scientists are vigilantly monitoring the movement of planets in these crowded environments to better understand the risks and how they might evolve over time. Meanwhile, astronomers are also focused on understanding the behavior of rogue planets, which wander through space without being bound to a star. The Kuiper belt, a remnant of the early solar system, lies beyond Neptune and is home to countless icy comets and dwarf planets. Pluto's orbit puts it in close proximity to many of these far-off objects. Gaining a better knowledge of the origin and evolution of the solar system requires an understanding of Pluto's interactions with the Kuiper belt. The existence of other celestial bodies in the outer solar system also affects Pluto's orbit. For example, Neptune's gravitational pull affects the paths of other objects in the Kuiper belt in addition to shaping Pluto's orbit. Using sophisticated simulations to model the interaction of their gravitational forces, scientists have long examined the complex relationships between Pluto and its neighbors in space. These simulations aid astronomers in forecasting the long-term stability of objects in the Kuiper belt and provide insights into the solar system's future behavior. Additionally, the study of Pluto's orbit offers insights into the chaotic behavior of the early solar system during its development. Giant planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are thought to have scattered smaller objects as they traveled through space. The distribution of matter in the solar system was probably significantly impacted by this process, known as planetary migration. Some objects, like Pluto, may have been forced into their current orbits by the gravitational pull of these massive planets. Others were directed in very different directions. By examining Pluto's orbit, scientists can better comprehend the forces that shaped the solar system billions of years ago. The Sun's gravity also plays a significant role in understanding Pluto's orbit. Even though it is relatively weak at such a great distance, it still has a significant impact on the orbits of objects in the outer solar system over time. The Sun's gravitational pull has a subtle but significant effect on Pluto's motion, affecting the eccentricity and inclination of its orbit. This interaction is just one of many forces that contribute to the overall stability of Pluto's trajectory. As humanity gets ready for upcoming trips to far-off worlds, the continued study of Pluto and its orbit has wider ramifications for space exploration. Planning safe and effective expeditions will require an understanding of how celestial objects like Pluto behave and interact with other bodies. Furthermore, by comprehending how planets and moons interact within our own solar system, research into Pluto's orbit can provide insight into the possibility of discovering life on other worlds. These discoveries can be applied to exoplanetary systems. The possibility of habitable planets beyond Earth may be illuminated by the parallels between the gravitational dynamics governing Pluto's orbit and those surrounding far-off stars. Problems with Pluto's trajectory were inevitable from the beginning. Pluto, a mysterious and small planet in the furthest reaches of our solar system, has become a hot topic in astronomy. According to recent updates, there may be a collision with Neptune, which has scientists and space enthusiasts alarmed. Prominent individuals like Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have voiced concerns about the possible consequences of this celestial encounter. But how did Pluto end up on a collision course with Neptune, and what might this galactic clash mean for Earth? Join us as we examine the specifics of how a massive event with Neptune might have occurred and why scientists are concerned about this cosmic anomaly. Pluto, which had previously been regarded as a planet, was drastically downgraded to a dwarf planet due in major part to its unpredictable orbit. Pluto still captivates and piques the interest of the astronomical community. According to recent warnings from well-known astronomers like Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, Pluto's path may cross that of Neptune, suggesting a possible collision with grave repercussions for our planet. Since its discovery in 1930, Pluto has not yet completed a full revolution around the Sun, making its journey around the Sun remarkable due to its unique characteristics. Its orbit is incredibly long, taking an astounding 248 years to complete. What makes Pluto even more fascinating is the extreme elliptical shape of its orbit, which is a stark contrast to other planetary paths. Although unlikely, a collision between Pluto and Neptune would be a monumental event with far-reaching effects. Usually, these interactions show the delicate balance of forces at work in space. Even though space exploration has made significant progress, such an occurrence would fundamentally change our view of the solar system. Despite the peculiarity of Pluto's orbit, scientists are still researching its path to learn more about how big planets affect its motion. This knowledge is essential for comprehending the complex relationships between celestial bodies and how their movements can affect one another. Pluto's orbit serves as a reminder of the many unknowns that still exist. According to some of the top scientists in the world, including Neil deGrasse Tyson, Pluto and Neptune might collide in the future. Tyson, a well-known scientist, believes that Pluto should be reclassified as a dwarf planet. According to Tyson, the mysteries of space are what makes studying it so fascinating, and he invites others to engage with the fascinating complexities of celestial mechanics. He acknowledges the significance of ongoing exploration and study and feels that Pluto's peculiar orbit highlights the fact that there is still much to learn about space and the forces at work within it. Tyson and other specialists are worried about the possible risks that Pluto's peculiar trajectory may pose. The outpouring of energy from such an impact may have disastrous effects on our solar system if Pluto and Neptune collided. Neptune itself would be impacted, and its orbit may be changed, further disrupting the dynamics of the outer solar system. The event would be enormous, and the debris strewn throughout space could have far-reaching repercussions, possibly even affecting other planets and moons. In addition to his contributions to string theory, famed theoretical physicist Michio Kaku offers important insights regarding space travel. According to Kaku, comprehending the larger idea of celestial mechanics and theoretical physics requires a comprehension of phenomena like Pluto's orbit. He contends that researchers can more safely handle future space missions by examining Pluto's interactions with Neptune. Additionally, Kaku highlights how crucial it is to comprehend gravitational forces in the context of space exploration because they could influence how we investigate distant worlds in the future. His interest in Pluto's orbit is consistent with his work in string theory, which aims to explain the fundamental forces of the universe. A collision between Pluto and Neptune might provide important information that advances our knowledge of gravity and the space-time realm. Even though such an occurrence would not directly affect Earth much, it might offer a rare chance to investigate how fundamental